Let's go.
Hi guys, I haven't done a video in a little while. I have been working behind the scenes and also taking a little time with family. I have been asked on so many occasions about soul connections. Some people speak of twin flames and want a GT explaining or a spread explaining what kind of connection they have on a soul level with somebody on the earth planes. Now, I personally don't subscribe to a lot of things, or should I say I don't like to put names on things that I cannot prove. I am very much into trying to prove situations or trying to predict situations, but I do have a lot of clients who want to find out also about the past lives, like we did in the video before. How do you check a connection, an energetic connection, a spiritual connection, a past life connection, any kind of connection with your partner or somebody who is very much present in your thoughts? Kipper, Lenormand, Gypsy Cards, they are all super awesome at testing connections and finding out exactly what you have with somebody. And today I'm going to use the Gypsy Cards. You need a deck, preferably a system deck with a male and a female card or a partner card. Doesn't have to be male, female, obviously, but a partnership shown in the cards, and you are setting the intention to find out about whatever connection you want to find out and setting the partner cards as the people involved. Take your deck, shuffle, set the intention, and lay a GT. So on this occasion, I have set the lover and the sweetheart as the partner cards and the relationship or connection that we are looking for. The merriment card, which we usually use as our significator, is our significator for well-being on this occasion. Now, the closer the cards, the two significator cards, the two partner cards are together, the closer the connection. It doesn't mean the connection here on earth, it means whatever connection you have asked for. So on this occasion, the soul connection. So the closer the cards, the male and the female, or the partner cards, the closer that soul connection. The further apart, the less tangible a connection it is, or the less significant a connection it is. Now, if they face one another, it is a positive connection, a positive soul connection that is serving them well. If they are reversed and back to back, it is a negative soul connection, or a connection that is not serving them in their best interests. Similarly, if any of the partner cards is exiting the spread, so in the last row waiting to leave the spread, then we have evidence that there is no connection between the two of them, or no connection that is serving them well. It is very negative, and they should seek to not to destroy the connection, but to find out why it's so negative and what it is harming in this lifetime. And it is as simple as that to see a status of any kind of connection that you want, even if it's a relationship right here in the here and now on this earth plane, then we can also use the same format to figure that out. You would then, if you are wanting to know about past lives, for example, if you have shared a past life with somebody, you would then lay a GT and find out exactly what the two of you were in that past life. So I would love to hear if you try this at home, love to hear if you find out any connections that you have or whether they are serving you well. Do you know what to do if they aren't serving you well? Love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me what you would like to hear about on my next videos. See you on the next one.